Hello from US, California. My name is Laura. I'm Ukrainian lady with international spirit. I always felt that our planet, the whole beautiful world is just speaking to me, attracting me. And you know, I felt that I can have wonderful relationship, friendship, romance with a man from another country. So if you are like me, looking for a foreign special partner, a lady, you can consider finding her in Ukraine or Russia or Europe. And as Ukrainian lady, I can share with you my real practical experience and many good tips, advices, wisdom. I can help you to create unique, outstanding profile, and also I can tell you how to plan your trip to Ukraine, or maybe you like your lady to visit you. It's absolutely possible. You see, I'm in US and this is my first time. I visited Tennessee, I visited North Carolina, many places there, and now I'm in California, in Orange County, and also Laguna Hills, Laguna Beach. And this wonderful November 2016, I share with you my presence here, my mild, light energy, and I wish you to find your special romantic partner and be happy, because life meant to be shared in love and harmony. Take care. Write me if you have some questions. I am here and we all connected by internet.